First of all, open Lightroom app and select your photo. Then, select light icon and follow as I do. And don't skip the video. Copy step by step, otherwise your photo facing some trouble. After that, choose curve option and follow step by step. Then, choose color option and follow step by step. Subscribe my channel for more fresh content. Then, choose mix options and follow step by step. Follow seriously, because this color options part is main part of this editing. Subscribe my channel for more fresh content. Last color options, don't need to any change. After that, choose effect option and follow step by step. Please follow me in Instagram, my Instagram I'd link in description. Then, choose detail options and follow step by step. Now, last step, select auto option. And your photo is ready. Download and share your amazing pictures in your social media account.